Hi, I'm Lisa Kirtley with Total Channel, and we are here at the beautiful TEG booth at InfoComm 2025. Total Channel is a content management solution, so think digital signage, video wall players, IPTV. So what you're seeing here is kind of more of a traditional media player. It's kind of hidden up there above the projector, but you can see that using our software, we've created this beautiful little interface, and it gives you the ability to carve up the real estate, really make your digital signage unique and turn it into your own personal TV channel. Another kind of cool feature besides a lot of the built-in content is you'll see there's a little QR code on the screen there. So if you scan that, it actually gives you the ability to trigger specific content. So if you have a touch screen, great. If you don't have a touch screen, you can trigger content here specifically. So I'm going to touch this little button here, and it now turned this screen into a full screen video. It's going to play for about a minute or so, and then it's just going to go back to its standard programming. So it's just a cool way to do some interactivity if you don't have a touch screen. It could be for wayfinding. It can really be whatever you've assigned to the screen. So Total Channel is, again, a traditional signage company when you want it to be, but we're going to walk over here. I'm going to show you our Genius wall player. So we also have custom hardware that gives you the ability to not only process video walls, but manage all the content and do custom aspect ratios. So we'll step over here. Excuse me. So this is our Genius wall player. It's a 4RU chassis. Again, it is a media player, but it's also a video wall processor and a custom aspect scaler. So I know it's kind of hard to see. You've got some LED walls here. We can step back if you want. There's a lot of screens here, and the guys wanted to be able to have unique content on each screen, which is what you're seeing now, this 3D screen, the LED walls, but they also wanted to be able to turn it into one big video wall that allows them to have content across the entire screen. So I'm going to trigger that real quick. And now you'll see the screens turn into one big piece of real estate doing an aquarium. So again, Total Channel, great for content management. We can do everything from standard screens to video wall processing. Thank you for joining us, and you can learn more at www.total-channel.com.